Esteemed Principal Sir, Cum Regional Officer, Odisha Zone 1, most respected Coordinate Madam, and respected Supervisors, Administrators, and my benign colleagues, and dear students. Hearty greetings to all of you on the eve of International Mole Day. I am inviting my colleagues, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Sadangi, PGT Chemistry, to throw some light on International Mole Day. Sanjay sir, please.
Respected Principal Sir, Regional Officer, DAB Zone 1, Dr. K.C. Satpathy, respected Coordinator Ma'am, respected Supervisors, dear colleagues, and my dear students. I wish a happy Mole Day. What is exactly mole? Mole means the number of atoms in 12 gram carbon, that is Avogadro's number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. This number was discovered by Avogadro in 1865, around 155 years before. But much before that, around 600 years before, that number significance was proposed by many Indian saints. According to the Achyuta Das, very renowned book Malika, there was one line in Oriya you tell, Dasya avatara sesore hebo kaloki beso, Dasya avatara sesore hebo kaloki beso, 12 ହାତ ଖଣ୍ଡା ବୁଲିବ ଅଙ୍କ ହୋଇବ ଶେଷ, ବାଣ ବସୁ ଋତୁ ଘନ ମିଶାଇ ଏହି ଅଙ୍କରେ ଯେ ଖେଳ ହେବଇ, ବାଣ ବସୁ ଘନ ଋତୁ ମିଶାଇ ଏହି ଅଙ୍କରେ ଯେ ଖେଳ ହେବଇ. I already told that Malika has two aspects. In the mathematical point of view, it is very difficult to analyze. ଦଶ ଅବତାର ଶେଷରେ ଭଗବାନ ବିଷ୍ଣୁଙ୍କର 10 ଅବତାର, ଶେଷ ଅବତାର ହେଉଛି କଳ୍କି ଅବତାର, ହେବ କଳକି ବେଶ, 12 ହାତ ଖଣ୍ଡା ବୁଲିବ, 12ଟା ହାତରେ ଖଣ୍ଡା ବୁଲିବ, ଅଙ୍କ ହୋଇବ ଶେଷ. 12 ହାତ ମାନେ 6 ଜଣ. ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଛେ ଯେ ମହାଭାରତ ଯୁଦ୍ଧରେ 5 ଜଣ ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରିପାରିନଥିଲେ. ସେ 5 ଜଣ କିଏ? ନା ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣେ ହେଲା ଅଭିମନ୍ୟୁ. ଅଭିମନ୍ୟୁ ବେଲାଳସେନ 2, ଘଟୋତ୍କଚ 3, एकलव्य 4, बक्रुवाहन 5. ये 5 जन को भगवान श्रीकृष्ण कपट करी युद्धरू विरति करथिले. अभिमन्यु को अधारू मारी देथिले. बेलाळसेन भीमपुत्र जेतेबेले आसिला कहला मु एक ओळी रे युद्ध शेष कर देबी, भगवान ताको कपट कले. ब्राह्मण वैसे पळेले ता पाखु. से ब्राह्मण देखि नमस्कार कला. देवाधीन जगत सर्वम मंत्राधीन च देवता. ए जगत होची देवतांकर अधीन, ए देवता होचंती मंत्रर अधीन. ए मंत्र ब्राह्मणाधीन, ए मंत्र होची ब्राह्मणर अधीन. ब्राह्मण मम देवता. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭଗବାନ ଶ୍ରୀକୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କୁ ସେ ନମସ୍କାର କଲା, ଭଗବାନ ଶ୍ରୀକୃଷ୍ଣ ପଚାରିଲେ ମୋତେ ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ଭାଇ ନମସ୍କାର କରନା, କାରଣ ତୁ ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣର ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଜାଣିନୁ, ମୂଲ୍ୟ ରଖିପାରିବୁନି, ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ଯାହା ମାଗିବେ ତୁ ଦେଇପାରିବୁନି। ବେଲାଳସେନ କହିଲା ନା, ସୁଖାନ୍ତେ ଦୁଃଖିତା ଗାଭା, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗାଈ ତୁମ ଘରେ ଦୁଃଖରେ ରହିବ ସୁଖର ଅନ୍ତ ହୋଇଯିବ, ସେଇଠି ସୁଖ ସରିଗଲା। ଦୁଃଖାନ୍ତେ ପୁତ୍ର ପଣ୍ଡିତା, ତୁମ ଘରେ ଯଦି ପୁଅଟା ପଣ୍ଡିତ ହୋଇଗଲା ଦୁଃଖର ଅନ୍ତ ହୋଇଗଲା। ମାନନ୍ତେ କଳହ ଭାର୍ଯ୍ୟା, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଘରେ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଲୋକ କଳି କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ମାନ ସମ୍ମାନ ପଳେଇବ। କୁଳାନ୍ତେ ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ରିପୁ, ଯଦି ବ୍ରାହ୍ମଣ ଶତ୍ରୁ ହୋଇଗଲା ତାହେଲେ ସେ କୂଳ ବୁଡ଼ିଯିବ। ତେଣୁ ଭଗବାନ ଶ୍ରୀକୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କୁ ବେଲାଳସେନ କହିଲା ନା, ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଶତ୍ରୁତା କରିପାରିବିନି, ଆପଣ ଯାହା ମାଗିବେ ମୁଁ ଦେବି। ତେଣୁ ଭଗବାନ ଶ୍ରୀକୃଷ୍ଣ ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡ ମାଗିଥିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ଦୁଇ ଜଣ ରହିଲେ, ଏକଲବ୍ୟ ଆମର ବେଲାଳସେନ ଏକ, ଦୁଇରେ ରହିଲେ ଅଭିମନ୍ୟୁ, ତିନିରେ ଘଟୋତ୍କଚ, ଚାରିରେ ଏକଲବ୍ୟ, ପାଞ୍ଚରେ ବକ୍ରୁଭାନ। ଏ 5 ଜଣଙ୍କର 10ଟା ହାତ, 10 ସହିତ ମିଶିଲା ଶ୍ରୀକୃଷ୍ଣ, ଭଗବାନ ଶ୍ରୀକୃଷ୍ଣ ନିଜେ ଆସିବେ। 10 2 12 ଜଣ, 12ଟା ହାତ ହେଲା 6 ଜଣ। ତେଣୁ 10 ଅବତାର ଶେଷରେ ହେବ କଳକି ବେଶ, ନମ୍ବର ଆସିଲା 10। ଏଠି ଆସିଲେ 12 ହାତ ଖଣ୍ଡା ବୁଲିବ, ନମ୍ବର ଆସିଲା 6। ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସରେ ମାଳିକାରେ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ନମ୍ବର ଲେଖାଯାଏ ଗୋଟେ ଆରେଞ୍ଜରେ ଲେଖାଯାଏ ଇନକ୍ରିଜିଂ ଅର୍ଡ଼ର। ତେଣୁ ଆଗ ରହିବ 6, ପଛ ରହିବ 10। ତାପରେ କହିଲେ, ମାଳିକା କହିଲା ବାଣ ବସୁ ମେଘନ ଋତୁ ମିଶାଇ, ବାଣ ହେଉଛି ପଞ୍ଚବାଣ, ବାଣ ହେଉଛି 5ଟା। ଶିବ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତପସ୍ୟା କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ତପସ୍ୟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ପାଇଁ 5ଟା ବାଣ ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କରିଥିଲା। ସେ ତପସ୍ୟା ଭଗ୍ନ କରିଥିଲେ, କାର୍ତ୍ତିକ ଜନ୍ମ ହୋଇଥିଲା, ଅସୁର ସଂହାର କରିଥିଲା। ବାଣ ବସୁ, ବସୁ ହେଉଛି 8ଟା, ଅଷ୍ଟବସୁ। ଗଙ୍ଗାଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ 8ଟି ପୁଅ ଥିଲା, ଶେଷ ପୁଅ ଥିଲା ଭୀଷ୍ମ, ସେ ଅଷ୍ଟବସୁ। 7ଟା ପୁଅକୁ ଗଙ୍ଗା ବସେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ବାଣ ବସୁ ଘନ, ଘନ ହେଉଛି ମେଘ, ମେଘ ହେଉଛି 4ଟା। ସମ୍ବର୍ତ୍ତକ, ନିବର୍ତ୍ତକ, ଦ୍ରୋଣ, ପୁଷ୍କର। ବାଣ ବସୁ ମେଘ ଋତୁ ଘନ, ଋତୁ ମିଶାଇ, ଋତୁ ହେଉଛି 6ଟା। ତ ଆକୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଆଡ଼୍ କରିବା, ବାଣ 5, ବସୁ ହେଲା 8, 8 5 13, ମେଘ ହେଲା ଘନ ହେଲା 4, 13 4 17, ଋତୁ ହେଲା 6, 17 6 23। ତେଣୁ ଆମକୁ ନମ୍ବର ଆସିଲା 6 10 23, 6 10 23, which is nothing but your Avogadro's number, 6 into 10 to the power 23। ତେଣୁ ଏ ଯେଉଁ ଆଭୋଗାଡ୍ସ ନମ୍ବର, ଯେଉଁ ଆଭୋଗାଡ୍ରୋ ପ୍ରପୋଜ କରିଥିଲେ, ଏମାନେ ବି ଆର ବହୁତ ସିଗ୍ନିଫିକାନ୍ସ କହିଛନ୍ତି। କିନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆମର ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ମାଇଥୋଲୋଜି ତା ବିଷୟରେ କହିଛି। এই ଯେଉଁ ନମ୍ବର, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆଗକୁ ଆମେ ଯିବା ମାକ୍ରୋସ୍କୋପିକ୍ ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ ଚାଲିବ, ମାଇକ୍ରୋସ୍କୋପିକ୍ ଆନାଲିସିସ୍ ଚାଲିବ, এই ନମ୍ବର ସିଗ୍ନିଫିକାନ୍ସ ଆହୁରି ବଢ଼ିବ। ବହୁତ ଲୋକ କହନ୍ତି ଯେ ବାଣ ବସୁ ଘନ ତେଜ ମିଶାଇ ଏହି ଅଙ୍କରେ ଯେ ଖେଳ ହେବ, ମାନେ 2023 ମସିହା ପରେ এই ଯେଉଁ ନମ୍ବର ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ବେଶୀ ୟୁଜ୍ ହେବ। ଆମେ ତ ଦେଖିପାରୁଛେ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ମୋଲ୍ ଡେ ବହୁତ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଥିଲା, ଏବେ ବି ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଛି। ତ ଡିୟର୍ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ଆମର ଏଠି ରେସ୍ପନ୍ସିବିଲିଟି ରହିଛି, ୱି ସୁଡ୍ transmit this number, we should publicly to all the peoples, we should tell this number and what is the importance of this number. So anyway, wish you all a happy Mole Day. Now I will invite my two students who can highlight on this Mole Day. Thank you.
A very happy Mole Day to everyone. The Mole Day is celebrated each year from 6:02 a.m. to 6:02 p.m. on October 23rd to honor and celebrate the existence of mole. This makes the date 6:02 10/23 in the American style of writing dates. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Chemistry is a mystery of chemicals, and chemists are the detectives who solve them. Yet another mystery was solved by the great Italian chemist Lorenzo Romano Amedeo Carlo Avogadro. For his notable contributions to the molecular theory, the number of particles per mole of a substance is named as the Avogadro Constant or Avogadro's number. It is exactly 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Avogadro's law, which states that equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure have the same number of molecules, is one of the most great contributions of Amedeo Avogadro. Now comes the question, what exactly is a mole? The mole is a unit of measurement for the amount of substance in the International System of Units. It is defined as 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles or Avogadro number of particles. The term mole was first introduced by the German scientist Wilhelm Ostwald. The word mole means heap or pile in Latin. It is almost similar to how we use units like dozens and gross, but mole is a little bit different. A mole can be defined on not only the basis of quantity but other things as well. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. When we take mass, 1 mole is equal to the relative atomic mass or the gram molecular mass of the substance, and taking volume into consideration, 1 mole of any gaseous substance will be 22.4 liter at NTP or STP. Now, let's come back to the Avogadro's number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It's such a big number. Then why do we use it? Why not use any other smaller numbers? Well, there's a reason behind using this specific number. The Avogadro's number is numerically equal to the number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon-12 isotope, and thus we take it as a standard. We all know about mole and are even celebrating it. Why is mole so important? Can you imagine living in a world where units like kilograms, meters, dozens do not exist? Yes, it is very much possible, but still very inefficient. The same goes for mole. Mole is nothing but the measuring unit of the chemists. It allows the chemist to weigh out amounts of two substances such that equal numbers of atoms of the substances are obtained and no residuary substance is left out. Mole is also used to get the answers to many questions. Let's take an example. Suppose we have to calculate the number of atoms present in 52 grams of helium. 1 mole of helium is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of helium, which is equal to 4 grams of helium, that is the molar mass. Now the number of moles in 52 grams of helium becomes 52 by 4, that is 13. The number of atoms present in 1 mole of helium is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And the number of atoms present in 13 mole or 52 grams of helium becomes 13 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This holiday, started by Maurice Olher, is now being celebrated by chemistry enthusiasts all across the globe. So let's celebrate this amazing unit which has made the life of chemists so much easier and has helped us to understand our world a little bit better. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep adding a little bit of magic into your life, as chemistry is nothing but real life magic.
A charming welcome. Happy Mole Day. Enchanting the digits of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, which we often take 6 or 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 as a great significant role in our chemistry and each parts of our study. On this great day of October 23, we do have a remembrance of this great unit which acts as a connecting link between the physical chemistry and the microscopic domain, which we often called as 1 mole. Spending 1 mole of money for a common man may take couple of centuries, but this system of unit, which we call as mole, has been referred as one of the fundamental unit of the SI system or the base unit of the SI system for the amount of substance. According to chemistry literature, a high school teacher of Paris, USA named Maris Oller founded a unique foundation named as National Mole Day Foundation on May 15, 1991. From that unique foundation, now National Mole Day has become an international event. Then the question comes, why October 23? If we look out to the date, it is 23.10, then some years. The 23 refers to the 10 to the power 23 and 10 refers to the base itself. It is worth mentioning about Avogadro, on whose name this famous unit has been named, or is Avogadro Constant. But question comes, why? Avogadro has given a law which is often called as Avogadro law, which states that equal volumes of gas at constant temperature and pressure has equal number of particles in it. This has given a very important contribution to find out the number of atoms, molecules, anything present in equal volumes of gases or at volumes of gases and any temperature and pressure. Even works of Indian scientists like Maharishi Kanath and Pakuta Kantayama has been great and worth mentioning here. To our young mind, the question comes, such a large number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, why chosen as 1 mole? But the fact lies behind the science in it. According to the SI unit of system and IUPAC convention, we should consider 1 mole of something is that many new things, or which is numerically equivalent to that many number of atoms present in 12 gram of C12 carbon isotope. So here the calculation given the unique number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Let's discuss on the calculation itself. By mass spectrometry, it was found that one C12 carbon atom weighs 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So taking this small unit as a denominator and taking numerator as 12 gram, this gave the great unit 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So let's discuss some important concepts regarding to mole, which we called as Molar Concept. Mole has made many calculations of physical chemistry a great easy. It is wide application from thermodynamics, field of thermodynamics to the field of stoichiometry. We have 1 mole of sodium weighs 23 gram, 1 mole of gold weighs 197 gram, 1 mole of chlorine gas weighs 71 gram, and 1 mole of water weighs 18 gram. So we have 2 mole of sodium reacts with 1 mole of chlorine gas and gave us 2 mole of NaCl. So we can directly find out what is the molar mass of NaCl. Whether it is the state of equations or thermodynamics law, mole plays a very significant part in every field of chemistry and even physics too. We have also many terms related to mole like molarity, molality, etc., which has been derived from the molar concepts only. So let us celebrate this unique day called as Mole Day with happiness of many moles on our face, and the theme of 2020 is Molezilla. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Tim DAV.